Strains between Israel and Iran. Two Middle East powerhouses have a long history, rooted in a complex web of politics, religion, and power. But why? First, ideological differences. Iran's Islamic Revolution in 1979 marked a shift in alliances, with Iran adopting anti-Israel rhetoric, questioning its legitimacy. Next, nuclear ambitions. Iran's pursuit of nuclear capabilities has Israel worried about its safety, sparking tensions and leading to confrontations. Finally, regional supremacy. Both nations vie for influence in the Middle East, often clashing indirectly through proxy wars. And solutions? Diplomacy stands as the best weapon. Engaging in direct, open conversations could pave the way for mutual understanding and peace. Additionally, international mediators could facilitate dialogue, helping to de-escalate tensions. Remember, peace is not a destination, but a continuous journey, and every step counts.